Hello everyone, welcome to the channel of Majestic Tarot and Astrology. If you are born on 3rd, 12th or 30th, 21st of any month, also if you are wearing color pink like me, or if you have a pink soft toy like me again around you or with you, then this reading is for you. Okay, I have pulled out your cards, guys. The weird thing is that I was about to do your reading uh, after the number two people, but somehow I skipped you and went to number four. Then my father came, and then, yeah, I spent 10 minutes away. So something was coming in the way of getting you guys this message. Anyways, the first card is Knight of Pentacles. So, you were trying to build you made a very stable offer to somebody uh, in friendship, family, love life, however it resonates with you. You made a very stable offer to somebody and you were very hopeful, and you were seeing the greener side of the grass. You were seeing that the grass is greener on the other side, and you wanted to pursue it that way. You wanted to build something with the person, and you were the one offering something to the other person. Now, second card is Nine of Swords. You are sad, depressed, all in your head. Probably शायद आपको रिजेक्शन मिला, या फिर आप रिजेक्टेड फील कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि चीज़ें आपने जैसी देखी थी, जैसी सोची थी, वैसी हो नहीं रही हैं. And you're feeling very pessimistic now. You're trying to be positive, but you're unable to control your thoughts. Your thoughts are ruling your world right now, and your relationships also, and you are very stressed right now. You're dealing with a lot of emotional burden, I see here. But I see that this is mostly in your mind. This is made up in your mind. The situation maybe is not as worse as you think, या चीज़ें उतनी बुरी नहीं है जितना आप सोच रहे हैं. कन्फर्मेशन, चीज़ें उतनी बुरी नहीं है जितना आप सोच रहे हैं, या प्रॉबली वट एवर हैपेंड वॉज बेस्ट फॉर यू. तो चीज़ें उतनी बुरी नहीं है जितना आप सोच रहे हैं. दिस वॉज अ प्रॉबली अ डिवाइन थिंग. So you are overthinking a lot. You are probably having anxiety sort of things. But I would say कि जितना आप सोच रहे हैं चीज़ें उतनी खराब नहीं है. You need to come out of your head. Okay. The last card that is coming up is Ten of Pentacles. You are in a hurry. आप बहुत जल्दबाजी में हैं. आप चाह रहे हैं कि चीज़ें बहुत फास्ट फॉरवर्ड प्रोग्रेस हो जाए. जल्दी से आपको ये टेन ऑफ पेंटिकल्स वाली एनर्जी मिल जाए, जहाँ आपको ऑल हैप्पीनेस मिल जाए, सब कुछ जल्दी जल्दी मिल जाए. एक सेटलमेंट स्टेट ऑफ माइंड, एक स्टेबल स्टेट ऑफ माइंड, एक स्टेबल लाइफ बहुत जल्दी जल्दी चाह रहे हैं आप. और बट चीज़ें इतनी फास्ट नहीं होती, इसलिए रिवर्स में आए. आप अगेन डिसअपॉइंट हो रहे हैं क्योंकि आपके एक्सपेक्टेशंस बहुत ज़्यादा है, एंड चीज़ें उतनी फास्ट नहीं चलती हैं जितना आप चाह रहे हैं. थिंग्स आर गोइंग टू गो एट देयर ओन पेस, चाहे वो आपको पसंद आए या ना आए. तो दिस इज व्हाट इज कमिंग अप फॉर यू. Overall, the bottom of the deck is Queen of Swords. You're learning to be courageous in this situation. आप courage सीख रहे हैं, आप हिम्मत करना सीख रहे हैं situation से. आप हिम्मत करने की क्वालिटी को अपने अंदर अडेप्ट कर पा रहे हैं. चीज़ों को समझने की क्षमता आ रही है आपके अंदर. दिस सिचुएशन इज टीचिंग यू अ लॉट ऑफ पेशेंस एंड अ लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ ऑल्सो. तो या, पर आप बहुत जल्दबाजी में भी हैं, और आप जल्दी जल्दी चीज़ों को प्रोग्रेस करना चाह रहे हैं, और चाह रहे हैं कि जो चीज़ नहीं चल रही है मैं उसको कट ऑफ कर दूँ. डोंट बी इन अ रश, बी पेशेंट. दैट इज़ व्हाट द सिचुएशन इज ट्राइंग टू टीच यू. Okay, so for your work situation, the card that is coming up is Page of Cups. You are sitting with something जो आपने build किया है. and it's going good for you. At least in the beginning it's going good for you, it's giving you good results, and ये चीज़ आपको फ्रूटफुल होती दिख रही है. कुछ टाइम बाद जाके आपको थोड़ा सा मॉनेटरी प्रॉब्लम्स हो सकते हैं. 5 of Pentacles is coming up. There is a bit of for a little while only, probably for 1.5 week only, you are facing some sort of financial issue, but you will come out of this very soon. So don't spend a lot. uh, curb your curb your expenditures a little bit. Then is coming the Queen of Wands, but in reverse. You are in your power, too much power, but you're controlling your speech. You are trying not to be blunt or to say something rude to people, but you are very strong. In a from I feel you becoming stronger day by day in your workspace, in your professional circle. But the strength is coming from the inside. It's not a physical strength, it's an soul level strength that you're building. But you're not being blunt with it, which you can, but you're not being blunt. And this is a good energy. Overall, what I see is you will be shining, you will be happy in your workspace, apart from a little bit of financial trouble. But otherwise, you will be very happy with your work, with the work that you're getting, and you will be in a very happy, enjoying, joyful energy overall at your work, and you will shine. People will notice you. Yeah. So guys, I hope you like this reading, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with the people you want them to, you want whom to see these videos. Okay guys, so if you would like to book a personal reading with me, then I have put my email ID below. You can email me on that, and we will take it further from there. Thank you.